A spark, a point of light, the energy behind the moment where progress begins. For over 2 centuries, that moment has defined us. It becomes an arc of power, connecting past and future, craft and technology, vision and reality. We transform into lasting solutions through world-class engineering, through the dedication of generations for whom excellence is not a goal, but a legacy. This is Welding. More than pipes, where a spark becomes progress, where heritage forges the future. We create progress with passion, precision in every project. Challenge us. Since 1777,